next question, that cancer is mainly an example of. Now, let's talk about this cancer, that this cancer is caused by that this cancer is caused by genetics, right? So here it is a non-infectious disease, because it's not like that this cancer is caused by any microbe. Okay, so it is, here you can say it's a non-infectious disease. It comes under non-infectious disease because cancer is actually an inability. Cancer is actually an inability to reduce. Cancer is an inability to kill the cells. As you can see what happens here is that, suppose this is a cell. Okay, now here you can say there are a lot of cells. So when there is excessive cell division to kill the cells, or you can say the most appropriate word would be inability to stop cell division. Inability to stop cell division. Okay. So here you can say that once you are injured, so what will happen, that these cells will divide to form new cells. Once these new cells are formed, then what will happen, in this particular space they are so close in contact with each other. So then when they come in close contact with each other, now the cell division would stop, because of course in this particular space only this much cells can be formed. Okay, but then what will happen, when this cell is cancerous cell, when this cell become cancerous cell, so it does not recognize the touch by other cells, and therefore it keeps on performing cell division and forming multiple cells, and that leads to formation of tumor. And this tumor, the vast range of tumor, this is actually known as cancer. So cancer is actually not caused by microbes, and hence it is not a microbial or infectious disease. It's a non-infectious disease, is an example of non-infectious diseases. Okay, and this cancer, therefore, is the correct answer would be option A. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you in the next DHA solutions.